Hello guys, today we will discussing a very important topic, labor pain from gynec subject. Today we will discussing about false labor pain and true labor pains. Difference between false labor pain and true labor pain. This topic an important topic for exam point of view. So we will starting about what is a false labor pain. First point, in false labor pain it starts 1 to 2 weeks earlier from true labor pain, and in true labor pain such situation is not present. Second point, decrease intensity, frequency and severity, means with time in false labor pain the frequency and intensity or severity will be decreased. In true labor pain the frequency, intensity and severity with time increased. This is an important point for remember difference between true labor pain and false labor pain. Third point, the nature of pain. In false labor pain, the nature of pain is dull in nature, and in true labor pain, the pain's nature is severe in nature. Next, an important point. This point, based on this point, in exam asked sometime questions. In false labor pain, cervical effacement and cervical dilation both absent. Remember this point, both are absent, but in true labor pain cervical dilation and effacement both are present. So it is an important point. Next point, fifth point, pain subsides during activity or walking. When walking and activity, during activity and walking, the pain subsides in false labor pain. So this point is also an important for remember difference between false and true labor pain. But in true labor pain, pain does not subside during activity. Next, last point, so absent. It is very important point for remember difference between false labor pain and true labor pain. This point is also important, so remember it. So absent. What is meaning of so? The blood mixed cervical mucus, means so is blood mixed with cervical mucus. In true labor pain, so is present. So these are very important points for remembering difference between true labor pain and false labor pain. This topic is ending now. If you are new on our channel, then subscribe it and subscribe this and share the channel. Thanks for watching the video.